You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plus size Dia & Co unboxing. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co, I have done videos on them before. Basically it is a plus size subscription service where they send you a box of around 5 or 6 items, and you do get 5 days to try the items, decide if you like them. If you decide that you do want to keep them, you keep the items that you like and you only pay for those that you keep. Everything else, they send you a shipping label to return. It's a really cool subscription service. I've been trying them out for about a year now, and it's always hit or miss, but they do have some really good quality items. And yeah, I just wanted to see what they had this month for spring and just, see what's new with them. And so I did get a box, and I got about like 5 items. And the first one, hopefully you guys can see this okay. It is a black. The top of it is kind of like a lace detail. It's really pretty. This one is by Prescott, New York. It is a fit and flare kind of skater type dress. It's probably going to hit me like at the knees, but it's a really cute dress. It does have a lot of stretch in it. And it's just a beautiful little dress for spring, a little perfect little black dress. It does have a zipper in the back, but it does have stretch. So I'm hoping this fits well. It's super cute. I will go over the prices with you guys in a minute as well, because they did send me like a little paper that has all the pricing. This next top is, bear with me guys, I'm not feeling the greatest today. Just a little under the weather, but I did want to get this video up. And the next one is also by Prescott, New York, which is a Dia & Co brand. This is a really pretty top. It's like a pink, burgundy black. Oh, it's just really, really cute. I love it. It looks super comfortable. I like the detail right here in the neck area. It's super pretty. It's like a little swing flared top, but it's super stretchy. I think this is perfect to wear with jeans. So I'm really excited about this one. I was looking for something because Dia usually sends me like really baggy tops, and I was looking for something a little more form fitting. And this is perfect because it's like tighter up at the top, and then it's like stretchy enough to cover the hip area for me. When I wear jeans, I like to wear tops like this. So this is perfect. I'm loving this. I hope it fits well. And yeah, this is just really cute top. It's a good spring top, especially now, like it starts to get hotter. Perfect, perfect little top. Okay, this I fell in love with on the site. I saw it on the site and I added it to the box. They do give you the option where you could add up to 3 items to your box, and then the stylist will send well, she'll add a few more things, like 2 or 3 more things to your box. But they do let you add stuff if you see something that you want to try. So that's a pretty cool feature. And this is a wrap dress. This one is by East Adeline. It is in a 3X. By the way, everything I ordered is a 3X. The jeans that I got are a size 24. So this dress is beautiful. It's a wrap, floral, just a beautiful, beautiful dress. Right here, it has a tie waist. This is probably going to be a midi style dress. It seems like it might be a little bit past my knees. So it's kind of like that midi style, but I love midi dresses. This is super stretchy. It looks like it's going to be very true to size. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's really, really pretty. Actually, the brand, yeah, it does say East Adeline. And it's just a beautiful dress. I love the colors. This is my style for spring. I love the pink, the blue, the black, just the combination of all 3 colors. I think this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful piece. I'm really excited about this box. Like, this is the first box they sent me that I love everything. I love absolutely everything in this box. So they did send this pair of jeans because I did want to try some jeans by Mary Sky. These are a size 24, and this is a good brand that they have, Mary Sky. They are skinny jeans. I love the skinny jeans style. Actually, these are not the skinny jeans. They did send me a pair of skinny jeans. These are more like a boot cut flare type of jean. I'm not loving this at the bottom. I don't really love the flare. Oh, that that bell bottom look. I don't love it. I like my jeans to be tight all throughout the leg. So I like them at the top. I really like the style. It looks like it's super stretchy. It looks like it's going to be true to size, but I am not loving that flare leg right there. But they look like they're really good quality, so we're going to try them on anyways. And last but not least, I got these jeans. These are the skinny jeans. These skinny jeans are by Molly and Isadora, size 24. They are the mid-rise skinny jeans. Oh, you guys, these jeans are so cute. They look like they have like a ton of stretch. I love my skinny jeans stretchy. This type of leg, absolutely love it. It looks like it's super stretchy. I think it's going to fit great, and I'm super excited to try it on. So yeah, they actually got my box, everything I wanted. Those flare jeans, not so much. I might return those, but I think I might stick with, I want to stick with everything. But okay, let's go into the prices before I do the try on. They always send like a little letter. The letter has like a note from your stylist, and they also have like the pricing of everything. So, okay, so the neckline top, that pink top that I showed you, this one here, this top, it is a 3X. The price is $45. Renee Latisse neckline top. It does retail for $45. It's not too bad. It looks like it's really good quality. So yeah, it's a super cute top. I really love it. So I might get it. We'll see. This dress is the Orlando faux wrap dress in a 3X. This one retails for $49. I really want this dress, you guys. This is the one that retails for $49. I'm actually kind of excited because the prices on this box are more affordable than the previous boxes I've gotten. So I'm excited about that. The Leroy skinny jeans by Molly and Isadora are $65. Their jeans are a little pricier than what I like to pay for jeans, but the quality is excellent quality for their jeans. So to me, it's worth it because the jeans will last a lot longer than like a fast fashion pair of jeans. These are good quality jeans. So these run for $65. The flare jeans, let's see, by Mary Sky. They're actually boot cut. It says grand boot cut jean, size 24. These retail for $49. Not bad. I actually like the color in these better than the other jeans. I like the top of these better, but the bottom of the other ones. But yeah, this is $49 is not bad at all. For a good quality pair of jeans, I would pay that for a good quality pair. And this one is called the Rosemary Lace Dress in black. This one is a little pricier. This one is $69. But it's like your perfect little black dress to go out. This is a good quality dress. It's a beautiful dress. So anyways, enough of that. And oh, I do have a letter. Let me see. Okay, she did send a note which kind of tells you how to style everything. It says, "Hi Nora, happy March to you. It's time for another Dia box. Let's see what other hand-picked pieces will make it into your wardrobe. I see that you've picked some pieces from the Dia shop too. Included in this box is the Orlando faux wrap dress that can be worn with flats or pumps. Try the Rosemary lace dress with some wedges. Try the Leroy skinny jeans and the grand bootcut jeans with the Renee Latisse neckline top. And have fun trying everything on. Let us know what you think. Feel free to explore the Dia shop page too. My best, Mary." Mary, thank you so much. She got everything. She got my style right. This is exactly what I love. This is an actual good box for me. I'm really excited about it. All right, you guys. So let me go try everything on, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so this first pair of jeans is the Leroy skinny jeans by Molly and Isadora. They're pretty stretchy. This is the beautiful Latisse neck top in that leopard print. I like the style of the top, just not really feeling the, I guess the pattern is not really, it's not really my style, the actual pattern. I do love leopard print, but not on my shirts like this. So, yeah, I mean, it's a cute outfit together, so I'm not going to knock it because it does look cute together. The jeans are very stretchy. They are the skinny jeans. They go all the way to your ankle. This next pair is the ones that I'm not too fond of. I like how they fit up top. You know, I like my jeans tight. So these are those boot cut jeans, but at the bottom, I don't like that flare. I did want to try it on with that same top, but those are the Mary Sky jeans, the boot cut jeans by Mary Sky. This next one is this beautiful little black dress. It has a lace top and it's kind of like a skater fit and flare style dress. I thought it was super pretty. It's the perfect little date night, little black dress. But I do have a lot of black dresses, so I don't think I'm going to keep this, but I did want to show you how it fit. I would say very true to size, very stretchy. It has a ton of stretch. It's super comfortable. This is a cute dress for like a date night or just a night out on the town. I think it's really pretty. You could like dress it up or down. And last but not least, this is my favorite of the box. I actually did end up keeping this dress. This is the Orlando faux wrap dress. And this is such a beautiful dress. I absolutely love it. Very true to size, very stretchy. I love the color. I love the pattern. This is everything I love in a wrap dress. You guys know I love a good floral and a good wrap dress. So a floral and a wrap dress is actually everything I love in a dress. So this one's perfect for spring. I love that it hit right above my knee, so it's like it doesn't ride up. Super stretchy, super comfortable. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.